Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make text with shadow on CapCut. So first you need to import your clips, then done your editing, and then just go to text and then click on add text and type in your text in here. Then after that click on the style, go to shadow and then choose the color that you want. So for example, I want to add like a black shadow, and in here you can just scroll down to adjust the opacity, the blur, and also the distance and angle. Okay, and then after that you can just resize the text like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.